Alright, so here's the finished product, and you'll see that I had run these washers in there, and that's to fix the problem with this spacer that they formed into it. Now these are not available whatsoever, not even from Ford. So we used the regular generic one. It's a Dorman number, like a 31002. And then on the ends you can see where I've got that cut right there, and I took a chisel and pounded that, and it spread that out a little bit, and I'll do a little bit more on both sides to keep that in place. But I think it's going to work okay. This shaft is just not available, and you can see the damage to that one right there. So we'll get a new one of those rag joints in there, but for now that looks pretty good. And if nothing else, I may spot weld those nuts just to make sure that they don't ever go anywhere. That's it for now.